Hi, my name is Sonal Chajed and I run an e-commerce site dealing into gardening products. The name of the website is chajedgarden.com, and I get most of my traffic from organic sources like SEO. I currently have 1400 unique visitors on the site every day, and almost 95% of them are organic. Now, because I'm so heavily dependent on this organic traffic, I am very curious and eager to know how is generative AI going to change this landscape. I'm currently also taking an SEO course by Growth School to learn from mentors on how I can better tackle this situation. Today, Google happened to release the generative AI feature on the search labs. I tried that feature, and my understanding is a lot is going to change. And what I mean by that is all the informational queries wherein people are just searching for information, generative AI is going to answer most of the queries. I tried a couple of search queries myself, and the results were quite amazing. The information was accurate, and when I tried searching for commercial intent or transactional queries, it referred to websites that were selling those particular products. So this was really good. But all the traffic that I was getting through my blogs, for which I have informational content, I might not be getting that traffic. And so this really, I don't know whether this is a good news or a bad news, but I do understand that I'll need to learn a lot to be able to navigate the situation. I'll show a couple of search queries to demonstrate what I mean. We launched the generative AI feature into their search labs, and I signed up for that. Now we'll just try a few queries. For example, I'm trying this search query because I sell these plants. I'm trying this search query called Calathea plants, and this is the information it's generating. Now, in case if someone is searching just for this generic query, there's hardly any chance that they'll be visiting this site, because all the information you need, like the brief of Calathea plants and how to care, the common problems and issues associated with those plants, have already been answered. And now, in case if you do ask a follow-up question, it does have the context of this query. Now we will ask a follow-up question. My plants are turning yellow. What should I do? It is giving a few search results, but it's also, completely giving out the answer. Like, it might be a problem with light, overwatering, soil, and so on and so forth. But in case if you ask a transactional queries like where can I buy these, it's giving you search results. Now this is my site, the one that is ranking for this search query. And when we are asking for that particular question, like a transactional search query where the customer intent is very clear that they want to buy, this is where we've been shown the results. Now, in case if it was an informational query, we are not shown the results. So but I get majority of my traffic through giving out information, educating the customer. Now it's going to be a real problem and the thing to figure out how am I going to navigate this situation. But I'll show you a different example wherein I directly have this transactional search query. Now when I have this transactional search query, right now, at least for the moment, the results are more or less similar to what it was above. These are the ad results, the first three. Then these are the Google local business results, and finally then there are organic search results. So right now this is what is happening. It will be very interesting to learn how to navigate this situation, because in case if our user journeys consist of educating the customer and then taking them through a step-by-step process until buying, we know that customers are coming to the site, and then at only about 1 to 2% of that traffic is converting. Now in case of all these organic searches or all these informational searches are being answered by Google, I'm not sure how we will be able to navigate the situation, at least for now. But I'm sure something else will come up, and we'll have to keep up with the trends to be able to better understand and better implement the solution. Thank you.